Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Urus versus Tesla. We'll explore their fundamental differences, starting with their power sources and market positioning. The Urus represents traditional high-performance luxury, while Tesla embodies electric innovation. Understanding these core distinctions is crucial for appreciating their unique appeals. Let's dive into what sets these two automotive giants apart. When it comes to performance, the Urus boasts a formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering over 650 horsepower and a top speed exceeding 190 miles per hour. In contrast, Tesla vehicles, powered by electric motors, offer instant torque, often reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. This fundamental difference in powertrain technology provides distinct driving sensations and performance characteristics for each brand. Considering price and luxury, the Lamborghini Urus commands a starting price of approximately $230,000, emphasizing its ultra-luxury segment. Tesla vehicles, however, offer a broader range, with models starting around $36,000 and extending beyond $100,000. The Urus interior showcases exquisite materials and bespoke craftsmanship, while Tesla focuses on a minimalist, tech-forward cabin with large digital displays. Both offer premium experiences, but with different philosophies. For practicality, the Urus, as a super SUV, provides seating for 4 or 5 and decent cargo capacity. Tesla's diverse lineup includes sedans, SUVs, and even a truck, generally offering more versatile storage solutions. In terms of brand image, Lamborghini embodies a rich heritage of exotic performance and exclusivity. Tesla, on the other hand, is synonymous with innovation, electric mobility, and advanced technology, appealing to different consumer values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.